Have you ever pondered the possibility of life flourishing on the red planet Mars? Humanity has long been captivated by this celestial neighbor, from the ancient astronomers who traced its fiery path across the sky, to the modern-day rovers scurrying across its dusty surface. Mars has been a source of endless fascination. But what is it that draws us to this barren world? Is it its haunting beauty, its potential for scientific discovery, or perhaps the tantalizing prospect of extraterrestrial life? To answer this question, we must first understand what it would take to survive on Mars. Surviving on Mars is no walk in the park. It requires careful preparation and the right equipment. Let's start with the basics. A pressurized habitat is vital. Mars' thin atmosphere means the pressure is much lower than we're used to, and without a pressurized environment, humans simply cannot survive. Next, we need a reliable source of energy. Solar power is a good option, but remember, Mars is further from the sun than Earth, and dust storms can block sunlight for months. So, we'd need a backup, perhaps a nuclear power source. Water and air are essential for life as we know it. A system for recycling water and air would be crucial for survival. This would involve turning astronauts' breath and waste into drinkable water and breathable air. Food is next on the list. We can't just pack a picnic for a Mars mission, we'd need a way to produce food on the red planet. Hydroponics, or growing plants without soil, is a potential solution. Protection from radiation is also necessary. Mars lacks a magnetic field like Earth's, so astronauts would be exposed to dangerous levels of solar and cosmic radiation. Shielding in habitats and spacesuits is a must. Speaking of spacesuits, they're not just for fashion. They provide life support, regulate temperature, and shield from radiation during surface activities. These components are not just about survival, but about establishing a sustainable presence on Mars. So, what does it all boil down to for survival on Mars? Well, it's a complex blend of the right gear, ongoing research, and constant innovation. Let's recap. First, we need specialized equipment to deal with Mars' extreme temperatures, thin atmosphere, and radiation. This includes suits that can withstand the harsh Martian weather and provide oxygen for astronauts. Secondly, we must remember that survival isn't just about the physical, it's about the mental, too. The isolation and the alien environment can take a toll, and astronauts will need training to cope with these unique stressors. Lastly, we have the tools and technology. We're already seeing exciting developments in this area with rovers, habitats, and even ideas for terraforming. But we're just scratching the surface. The prospect of life on Mars is intriguing, but it's clear that we have a long path of technological advancements and discoveries ahead of us. So, keep looking up, stay curious, and let's continue this space journey together.